Hello everyone. This video, as promised, is about how to download your Google Workspace email to your PC simply using the Mail app on your system. Okay, first of all, let's try to open our official email. Okay, and see the status of our official email. I minimize this while that loads. You must make sure that your internet is active and you have enough mobile data on it, because we're going to be downloading all the emails you had for several years from your Google Workspace to your Mail app on your system, on your PC. So for you to really look for the Mail app, it's very simple. I'm actually using Windows 11, so on Windows 10 you may have to just look for this search sign around this corner. At times it's the field is bold enough for you to even just type MAIL, mail. Okay, so clicking on it now, you just type mail. It has already showed like snippet. So mail, like that. You click on it, it opens up. I already have, these are my personal emails that I use this mail app for. Okay, so for you, you may not have anything like this. It will show something of this nature. Oh, sorry, let me go back. It will show something of this nature. Just give me some time to. Okay, so you go to settings. Under settings, account, under manage account, scroll down to add account. This is how yours will look like, because you have not actually initialized it before, you have not used it before. So it's going to show up in this format. This is for those that use Microsoft Office, maybe Office 365. So ignore all this, ignore Google. Even though you are fetching your mail from Google, it's going to be asking you for authentication and all that, so ignore this as well. If you want to add your Yahoo to it, that's why this is there. If you want to add your iCloud account for those that uses iPhone, iPad and all that. Okay, so let's use this other account. Okay, so you click on other accounts, you type in your email, your official email. As you can see, some accounts require additional steps to sign in. So email address, your official email, you already have something to give you like an idea of what you need to do. So I'm going to add my own email right now. That's bellframegroup.com. Okay, and my name, your name should automatically come out. If it doesn't come out, you have to type it in manually. I've used this account severally, so that's why that's why this automatically comes out. If yours doesn't come out automatically, type in your name as it's going to appear whenever you send an email. Okay, so your official email, type in your name as it's going to appear, then type in your password. Let me see if I can still remember my password. Okay, so click on sign in and you wait for it. It's going to take a few minutes to. Okay, it's ready, all done. Your account was set up successfully and you can see it around this corner. So let's just click on you need to ignore this, except you need it. You can just download mail from your Android device or iPhone, and you can begin to download your mails from your phone as well. So let's close this. Done. Okay, from this done, you come here, you click on this, and you can see I've received an email immediately, a security alert from Google, telling me that okay, let's wait for it to fetch. This mail app, it's similar to Outlook, but it's not entirely Outlook. It doesn't have all the features of Outlook. It's Outlook is more robust, it's more advanced. This is basically a mailing app for you to be able to receive your mail and send your mail and do all the mailing activities on it. Okay, while I'm waiting for this to show, let me just go back, open my mail. I guess my internet is very slow. This must be, this should be from my own email. You can see to something Nogita from Google Studio. If I compare this with my Chrome Gmail, you can see that I have this on red. Once I finish reading from this mail app here, okay, it will show over there once I refresh that's been read. Okay, so this is your official email. All these are my personal email, so you can do that as well for yourself. Okay, now you okay, yes, so let's move on. To send an email, you have to click on the current account you want to use and click on new mail. You can see automatically your email shows up from so that is from my own name to yours. So you manually type in the email address of the people you want to send to, or the recipient, and the subject, and it will always show this signature. If you don't want it, you can clear it off, you can just delete it. If you want your signature to actually appear here, that is very simple as well. You can copy and paste from here, copy all this, okay, from your workspace account, copy, okay, come down here, paste here. But if you paste here, it means you have to continually do this every now and then you want to send an email. So instead of doing that, you can go back to settings. You can either go back from here or just scroll down with this. You have this gear sign. This gear sign means settings. This means switch. If you have to do list, this means people, that is calendar, or I think this contact, sorry, this means your calendar, and this for your email. So if you actually expand it, it's going to show better. So this gear sign actually shows your settings. So we want to insert our signature, okay, so that we don't have to manually and all the time we need to send an email, we manually go to new mail and compose and we paste our signature. So that is not really necessary. So let's continue asking, because I have numerous emails, that's why this is happening. So I have to choose the signature, the account I want to attach the signature to. Okay, the account to which I want to attach the signature to. This is my Hotmail, this is my personal email. So Biofilm Group. Okay, so then you know how to do this already. So just space, go down and copy and paste. You've copied already, so just paste. Okay, I use a keyboard shortcut, so sorry about that. I'm supposed to have showed you how to do that, because I believe everybody knows how to do it anyway. So right click, paste, and that's what you get. Okay, so you really don't need to edit anything here. It's going to show the way it was on your online Google workspace from your Chrome account. Okay, so going back, you don't need anything else to do here. So all you need to do is just save, and once you have saved, anytime you want to send an email, go to new email, and you can see your signature is actually there. Okay, so if you want to send an email, that's how to do it. If you need to reply to an email, for instance, let me just show that I want to reply to this. You can say reply to only one person, reply to all that. Well, you all know all this anyway. So if you want to flag an email, that's how to do it. This means more settings, mark as read, move from one folder to another. And in fact, that reminds me, for those of us that have folders, okay, so you click on the accounts and you come to more. Under more, you can see you have more folders. All this will not automatically download until you come and you click and you download it manually yourself. Like I said, you need internet and you need a lot of data because you're downloading huge emails and attachments of so many years. So you click on sync and you hold on. If it keeps showing you this, maybe perhaps you don't have an email, or perhaps your internet is not strong enough in that folder. So you have to click on all these one after the other for you to be able to download um, all your mails in that folder. For people like us that keeps folders, nevertheless, this actually suffices. This is enough. Your inbox. Okay, so in order for you not to lose anything or to work offline, if you don't have to read emails offline, yes, if you don't have an internet, instead of you going through Chrome, and if whenever you want to migrate from Google Workspace to another account, instead of you losing anything, you quickly do this that I've showed you. It's very simple. Click. If we need to go back again, click on settings. If you don't already have an account open, you go to manage accounts and you click on add account, and under add account you click this other account and all that, and you fill in your email address, your username and your password, and it should automatically appropriate and download your emails. Okay, don't forget, for those of us that have folders, your mails will not automatically download until you begin to open them one after the other and you click on refresh, and it will download for you. Okay, if it doesn't show mails, it could be that your internet is slow, or you need or you don't have an email at all. Okay, so that is that. If there are any other question you want me to attend to, or you want other videos you want me to do, please comment on the comment section of this YouTube video. Okay, I'll try to put as many videos available for your learning on the YouTube channel. So thank you guys for your time.